11. We look at the denominator, we see that plus sign. That tells us we're going to have to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator over itself. That'll be 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 over itself. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. And again, up in the numerator, we're going to have a FOIL problem. And down in the denominator, we're going to have a full problem by design. Here we go. First term of FOIL in the numerator. We're going to have the 2 root 3 times the 3 root 3. That makes 6 root 9. Outer 2 root 3 times minus 2 root 2 makes minus 4 root 6. Inner negative 3 root 2 times positive 3 root 3 is minus 9 root 6. Then we're going to have the L term of FOIL, negative times negative, which makes positive 6 root 4. That'll all be over first term of full, 3 root 3 times 3 root 3 is 9 root 9. Skipping the outer and the inner and moving on to the last part of FOIL, we have a full, we have minus because of positive times negative, and 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 is 4 root 4. Okay, 6 root 9, that equals 6 times 3. The middle terms combine together to make minus 13 root 6, and 6 root 4, that's 6 times 2. Down below we have 9 times root 9, which is 3, minus 4 times 2. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. We've got an 18 there and a 12 at the right. Those combine together to make 30 minus 13 root 6. And down below, 27 minus 8 is 19. And obviously there's no cancellation in that problem. Okay, let's do the next one. Number 12. Again, we see the binomial. We multiply by the conjugate, root 3 minus root 2 over itself, changing the sign in the middle of that first denominator. Upstairs, when we do our FOIL, our first term of FOIL, root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Outer, root 3 times negative root 2 is negative root 6. Inner, negative root 2 times 3 is again negative root 6. And the last part of FOIL, negative root 2 times negative root 2 gives us positive root 4. Okay, over denominator, root 3 times root 3 is root 9. The middle terms of this cancel out, so the L term here is going to be minus root 4. Now I'm looking at that denominator and I'm seeing a 3 minus 2, which means the denominator is just 1 and will cancel out. Up in the numerator, root 9 is 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 2. Combining like terms, 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2 root 6. That's all over 1, so just 5 minus 2 root 6 is the simplified form. Sorry about that. Okay, this next one is a different type of problem, and all I'm trying to do is illustrate a point. People make mistakes when canceling. People go cancel happy. 12 cannot be canceled with anything in this problem because you can only cancel factors. So what we need to do is look in the numerator. Don't worry about what's inside the radical. Just look at the numbers outside, 4 and 8. Those can both be divided by 4, so we factor the 4 out front, divide it out, and have root 6 plus 2 root 2 left over inside. And then that 4 out front can be canceled with the 12 down below, giving you a denominator of 3. So root 6 plus 2 root 2 all over 3 is your simplified form of that problem.